Right now, one of the most popular snacks or like desserts or sweets out there is these sandwiches with massive piece of fruit in there. I've never actually tried it. I don't know why. I never got around to it. It's been popular for about a year. It's a massive boom. There's a shop right near here. We're gonna give it a try for the first time here for YouTube. All right, so I'm looking forward to this. Nishi Market, we just walked through, is like one of the most popular areas for tourists to come visit when they're in Kyoto. Locals also come here. Shocking, there's a surprise. There's a line out here. This place is Sally's Kitchen. Enter here. We're gonna give these a try for the first time ever, even though I've been living in Kyoto forever. Okay, so now we're getting ready to order. Sumimasen. Dore ichiban ninki desu ka? I'm asking which one's the most popular one. Mango. Ichigo. So she's saying mango and strawberry are the most popular ones. Anata dore ichiban suki desu ka? Hey, mango. Ja, mango. She's recommending mango, so we're gonna go for mango. There you go. All right. Hai, ikura desu ka? Mango. Hai.
美味しいよ。
美味しいよ。じゃあ楽しみにしてます。
ありがとうございます。
It's see, mango is $4 and about $4.50, so about 490 yen, which is about 450. It depends on the exchange rate, but roughly that. All right, here we go. どこで食べばいいですか？
どこでもいい。
あ、はい、わかります。
ゴミはもらいます。
はいはい。
ちょっと待ってくださいね。
So I'd ask her where to eat this because this is like a standing street. You're not supposed to walk around eating, even if they're serving food. You have to find a place to sit or stand to the side. To me, this is actually really fascinating. It's like wheat bread. It's got real mango in there, and like cream. You know, like cream you put on cakes and whipped cream for like ice creams like that. Sundays. It's a weird combination. It's good. I mean, it's good. It's just, it took a little second to get used to it. This is good. I mean, it's really, really good. I'm gonna have to try the strawberry one next. Wow. I'm actually really impressed. It's better than I thought it was gonna be. So when you first try it, it's a little bit unusual taste because it's not like a cake or like ice cream that's really got that strong sugary taste. This doesn't have it. It just has enough sweet from the fruit. The whipped cream is not a strong whipped cream, so. And then there's the bread, which is actually wheat bread, which is a little bit weird. The other one that you saw there was white bread. So I'm gonna try the strawberry one next, guys. And cheers! If you're loving this contest, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Follow this channel. If you have any suggestions for videos, just let me know what you want to learn about, and I'll be doing that next. Cheers! Love you guys, and see you next video.